Did you ever see a picture of yourself, shoulders hanging forward, having a huge double chin, and started to think, why the f is my posture this bad? If so, you're not alone. Poor posture is a common issue that affects people of all ages and lifestyles. It often leads to neck and back pain, and it also makes you look less confident. But the good news is that you don't have to suffer any longer. There are simple and effective ways to improve your posture and reduce pain and discomfort. We're here to help you achieve your goals. Let's look into the importance of good posture. First and foremost, it's important to understand why having a good posture is important. Good posture helps align your bones and joints, reducing the strain on your muscles and tendons. It also helps you breathe better, improves your circulation, and can even boost your confidence and self-esteem. Sounds amazing, right? If you want to age with a healthy body, working on your posture is a must. But what are healthy habits that you can adopt for a better posture? Let's dive in. Number 1. Stretching. Stretching is a great way to reduce muscle tension and improve flexibility. Simple stretches such as shoulder rolls, chest openers, and neck stretchers can make a significant difference. By incorporating these stretches into your daily routine, you'll feel more relaxed and energized, and you'll be taking a big step towards better posture. Number 2. Strengthening exercises. Strengthening your core and back muscles can also help improve your posture. Exercises such as planks, bird dog, and bridge pose can help build strength in your muscles. You don't need any equipment to do these exercises, and you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine. Number 3. Ergonomics. Ergonomics is another important factor to consider when it comes to posture. Adjusting your work environment to support good posture can make a big difference. Ensure that your chair, desk, and computer screen are at the right height, and take breaks to stretch and move around. By avoiding slouching or leaning forward while sitting, you'll put less pressure on your neck and back and be one step closer to a better posture. Number 4. Mindfulness. Mindfulness is key when it comes to improving your posture. Being aware of your posture throughout the day can help you make conscious adjustments. Practice mindfulness and check in with your posture regularly. By setting reminders on your phone or computer to help you remember to sit up straight, you'll be building good posture habits and reducing the risk of pain and discomfort. Number 5. Sleeping position. Your sleeping position can also affect your posture. Sleeping on your back with a pillow under your knees can help align your spine and reduce pressure on your back. By avoiding sleeping on your stomach, you'll put less strain on your neck and back. Choosing the right pillow and mattress can also make a big difference in improving your sleep quality and reducing pain. Number 6. Footwear. Don't forget about your footwear. Wearing comfortable shoes with good arch support can help improve your posture. High heels and shoes with no arch support can put pressure on your back and make your posture worse. Choose shoes that fit well and provide the right support for your feet. Incorporating these healthy habits into your daily routine can help you achieve a better posture and improve your overall health. Don't let poor posture hold you back any longer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on living a happy and healthy life.